On Tropee, rewards are incentives for your community to perform tasks, and these can be anything. It's so cool. In order to set rewards for your Tropee, you're just going to go to the navigation bar and click the rewards button, and then you'll be in the rewards section. You can see I've already got a few rewards set up here, but let's create your first reward. So to do this, we're just going to click the Add Reward button at the top. And we're going to make this really easy just for the sake of demonstrating how this works. Let's say we want to give our community members an exclusive Discord role as a reward. So we're going to click Add. And then Tropee will automatically populate a lot of the information that we need in order to offer this as a reward. But let's go through each section. This section at the top will play a role in determining what your reward looks like on your Tropee page, which is why, of course, we have to start with a picture of what you want to be displayed in the reward section. So this is auto-populated with the Discord logo, which is great. And it just says exclusive Discord role as the title. You can change this as the title if you want, so feel free to make adjustments there. And then if you want to add a description, this can be really helpful so that when your community members open up the reward to preview whether or not they actually want to get it, you can give them a little bit more information. Like maybe you want to tell them what this exclusive Discord role will give them access to, whether that's calls or content they can't get anywhere else, information or a relationship with you that they can't get with the other Discord roles. You can fill in a bit more information here to make the reward seem even better. Now we want to adjust our settings. So that is the cogwheel that you see right here. First off, let's look at reward types. I'm going to cover giveaways in another video, so we're not going to talk about that right now. Let's talk about first come, first serve, which means that members use their points to unlock a reward. So we'll click on this. And then you can set how many points are required to unlock the reward. Now, whenever you set points, you'll want to keep in mind how many points people are getting as they're performing tasks on your Tropee page. If you have 3 tasks, each worth 10 points, and you set a reward for 50 points, that means that you'll have to come back and add some tasks later so that your community members can get enough points to unlock that reward. But that is assuming that this is the only reward that you set, right? So if you have multiple rewards, you want multiple ways for people to earn points so that they can continue to unlock the rewards on your Tropee page. So keep in mind that how many points you are requiring for your community members to unlock the reward should be consistent with how many points they can earn throughout your Tropee tasks. You can also set the total number of rewards available here. So sometimes it's great to have an unlimited quantity. I think for a Discord role, it makes sense for this to be unlimited because we want as many people who want to have the reward to have it, right? There's no limitation, there's no scarcity we need to set on a Discord role that would be strategic to us growing as a creator. So unlimited is fine here. But you can also set the quantity to be limited, especially if you have a reward that is very valuable. You can see on my Tropee page on the right over here that I have a reward called a 30-minute one-on-one video call. I don't want to have an unlimited number of these available because then all of a sudden my schedule is going to fill up with free video calls and there's a lot of other things I need to be doing in my day. So I've only made 3 of these available and I've increased the amount of points so that they're pretty rare to get. So this is just a way that you can use the quantity of rewards or even the points that you require in order to make the rewards a bit more difficult to get. And then we have availability. So you can set the availability open to all members who have enough points or restrict availability of this reward to members who have completed a specific task. So people really should only be able to get into this Discord role and get it as a reward if they're also in your Discord server, right? So you want to you might want to restrict this task to people who have completed another task that is join my Discord server. For now, I'm just going to keep this open for everyone just to demonstrate what this reward will look like on your Tropee page. So that is the settings section. Next, we're going to click this little calendar icon, which is where we can schedule this reward. This means you can actually schedule when people will be able to get this reward. Like if you want a reward to only be available for a limited time, this is really helpful. If you want the reward to go offline after like a month or 2 weeks for some reason, you can do that. Usually for something that is an unlimited reward, that doesn't really matter too much. You just want this to be up forever. So in order to do that, I can click this little end date and then just say no end date, right? And then it's going to start at this specific start time and it will end never. It will just go forever. All right. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click this little lock icon and go over to reward experience. This is one of the best things about Tropee. It allows you to collect information whenever people enter to receive the reward. So that way, whenever you're fulfilling rewards, you don't have to reach out to all of the people who have asked to receive a reward and like coordinate fulfilling that reward. Tropee will help you decrease the amount of time this process takes by a lot. We can collect any information that we need whenever our community members request to receive a reward. All you have to do is hit this add question bar right here, and there's a lot of different forms that they can use to submit information in order to fulfill this exclusive Discord role reward. Really all we need is we need to know their Discord username. So we've got that here, they input it, and then they're gonna get a confirmation message. And the confirmation message can really say anything. Tropee will auto-populate something for you, but feel free to change it up if you want. You can also include any content, like if you want them to have videos of you, images, audio, something to say, hey, congratulations. You can input that here as well, which is pretty cool. And that's basically it for setting up a reward. You'll see there's an analytics icon here, but it's grayed out because nobody has claimed this reward yet. There's also a members icon here as well, but there's no activity because this reward is new. You can share, but this is not set up yet. And then there is the delete button in case we don't like it. Also, if you're setting up another reward that is really similar to this one, you can hit these 3 dots and go over to duplicate. But for now, I'm just going to turn this reward on because it is basically done. This is really easy to do. All we're going to do is hit the toggle button and it's going to show up in my Tropee page. I can also move this reward around on my live Tropee page. All I have to do is select the 6 dots on the side over here, and I can pull it underneath other rewards that I've got if I want to reorder things. There are so many rewards that you can use to incentivize your community members to help you grow and take action to collect points on your Tropee page. Of course, we have to give you a bunch of cool ideas, so we've created this video for you. Go and check it out.